Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Manavat and I welcome all of you once again to the series of functions. We are in lecture number 2. In lecture number 1 we have discussed the basics of function. The function as a machine of input and that produce output, right? Which depends on the expression which function represent. Correct? In today's lecture we are going to discuss composite function. Composite function is nothing but function of another function. That means you substitute input of one function as another function. So let's see how does it work.
Here we have example of composite function. So the question is f of x is given as x square plus 3x minus 1 and g of x is given as 2x plus 3. Let's find out, or question says, let's find out, we need to find out f of g of x and g of f of x. ये हमें find करना है, ठीक है? So as discussed, composite function, आपको क्या करना है? You just need to simply substitute, देखो ध्यान से देखो, f of g of x. Okay. Now, if you compare this with f of x, जहां पे x है उसको रिप्लेस करना है हमें किससे? g of x से. इतना ही करना है बस. This is composite function. So let's try this out. Now, substitute करते हैं. Here, f of x, let me write it again. F of x is x square plus 3x minus 1. Now, if I substitute g of x at the place of x, तो हमें क्या मिलने वाला है देखते हैं. g of x substitute करते हैं. So here you have g of x का square, okay, this is x square, right, plus 3 of g of x, okay, and minus में आपके पास मिला 1. ठीक है. Now, what is the expression? What is the value of g of x? That is nothing but 2x plus 3. Substitute कर दो. So f of g of x you are getting as 2x plus 3 का whole square plus 3 into 2x plus 3 minus 1. चलो आगे चलते हैं. This is what a plus b whole square का formula लगा दें. That is a square which is 2x square which is 4x square plus 2ab, 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12, सिर्फ 12x आना चाहिए. आप करके देखो, 2ab करके देखो, plus 3 square which is what, 9, and then here we have 3 into 2x plus 3, so this become what, 6x plus 9 minus 1, right? 3 3 are 9. Now here we have only one term. अभी सिर्फ simplify करना है, हो गया काम अपना. We just need to take care of the square term, only x term, and the constant term. Okay, so here we have x term which is plus 2x plus 6x is what? Here we have 18x. Okay, here we have 9 and 9, 18 minus 1, 17. और वो भी plus का 17. ठीक है, you got 4x square, 12x plus 6x is 18x. 9 plus 9 is 18 minus 1 is plus 17. तो ये आ गया आपका f of g of x. Okay. Pause. Let me check it again. Huh? ठीक है. Now let's check what is g of f of x. ये check करती. What is g of f of x? So g of f of x. By now, I'm sure all of you are comfortable with composite function. हालांकि हमने सिर्फ एक ही example देखा है, but I hope it's not very complicated, right? So if you want to simplify this, हम लोग पहले क्या करते हैं? g of x का function लिख लेते हैं, which is 2x plus 3, ऐसा ही कुछ है, 2x plus 3, right? Now let's substitute f of x at the place of x. x के place पे हम क्या replace करने वाले हैं? f of x. So now this is 2 of f of x plus 3. अच्छा, f of x का वैल्यू कितना है? बताओ f of x वैल्यू कितना है? That is x square plus 3x minus 1. That is x square plus 3x minus 1 plus 3. Okay. Now multiply and open the bracket and multiply by 2. So this is 2x square plus 6x minus 2 plus 3. और simplify कर लो, that is 2x square plus 6x और ये कितना हो जाएगा यार plus 1. Yeah, so this is what g of f of x. Easy, simple है. Okay.
Fine. If that's the case, I want you to simplify this. Let me write this properly. This is x plus 1 by x minus 1. Okay. Yeah. X plus 1 by x minus 1. This is the expression. And g of x is what? 1 upon x minus 2. You need to substitute and simplify this for f of g of x and g of f of x. Will you be able to do that? Substitute function, the input of a function as another function. Yeah. Okay. So I give this as your homework. Write the expression and simplify this and write the expression in the comment box. Okay. Yeah. I can leave this on you, right? Yes. Substitute. Okay, let me solve this question number 3 for you, so that it will be again clear to you what we need to do. So here you got f of x as 2x plus 3 and g of x as x square minus 1. Simplify this. F of g of x, f of g of x as per the question we need to find out. I need to write in better handwriting. Yeah, I'm improving. So this will be the expression for f of x is what? 2x plus 3. So this will be 2 of g of x plus 3. What is g of x? X square minus 1. What will you do? Here substitute 2 of x square minus 1 plus 3. Simplified further, 2x square minus 2 plus 3. Simplify further, 2x square plus 1. Yeah. So what are we learning? Composite function, function of function. Okay, let's try g of f of x. Let's use different colors so that we don't have any confusion. Okay, g of f of x. Yeah, simplify this. That's x square minus 1. Yeah, g of x is what? X square minus 1. So this should be f of x square minus 1. What is f of x? F of x is nothing but 2x plus 3. Simplify that. 2x plus 3 whole square minus 1. I need more space. Let's create some more space. Okay, simplify this. So here you got 2x square. So a plus b whole square again. This will be 4x square plus 12x plus 9 minus 1. Simplify this. 4x square plus, here you got what? 12x as it is. This will get you plus 8. That is g of f of x. I hope that's easy. Yeah. F of g of x, g of f of x. It could be something else also. Function that's f, function that is g, function that is h, could be anything. But are you clear with what is a composite function? If I tell you or give you the reference of composite function, will you be able to relate that? Yes? Okay. Fine. So I still have this as the homework for you. Simplify this and write the expression of f of g of x and g of f of x in the comment box. That's lecture number 2. In lecture number 3, we are going to discuss iterative function. That means a function which has input as the same function, f of x, that way. Yeah, iterative function. So we'll discuss this in the next lecture, that will be lecture number 3. So this is it in today's video. My name is Shyam Manavat signing off. I will see you in the next lecture. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.